The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is Samsung's latest and potentially best smartwatch yet. It's certainly pitched as the wearable companion most ready to climb Mount Everest or at least a steep hill with you. As befitting the new Pro distinction, the watch is bigger and better than the rest of the Watch 5 line, with a bigger battery, more powerful capabilities, and exclusive features. The watch generally uses this new power to add more fitness credentials with additional GPS features, including new route generators for endurance workouts and reinforced case, ensuring the 5 Pro is squarely aimed at the adventurers and athletes. Otherwise, the watch retains all its younger siblings' more holistic health kits, including improved sleep tracking and body composition, alongside great smart functionality courtesy of Wear OS, taking and receiving calls, music controls, and an Exynos W920 dual-core 5nm chipset powering the whole thing. At this early stage, it certainly seems like everything you want in a fitness-oriented Wear OS watch. The Watch 5 Pro offers a wide variety of health goodies, more so than the standard model. Exclusive to the Pro is the Route Workout GPS function, allowing you to plan your route, which you can share with your friends to run the same route together at different times, comparing times as if you were racing. The Route Workout function offers turn-by-turn navigation courtesy of haptic vibrational cues, so you don't have to look at your watch during runs and cycles, and track back to stop you getting lost. Simply activate trackback and the watch is said to guide you back to your starting point by the safest possible route. It all sounds very germane, and it's nice to see these kind of features on a Wear OS watch. We obviously didn't get an opportunity to test these features during our brief hands-on with the watch, so we will be looking forward to really putting the Watch 5 Pro through its paces on some long runs. What we were able to check out was the watch's body composition feature, which is said to have been improved since the Watch 4 debuted. This is that aforementioned bioelectric impedance analysis scan, the same method smart scales used to determine your body composition. Simply place your fingers to the buttons and start the feature on your phone, sending a current of electricity traveling through the body, moving at different speeds through fat, muscle, and bone. The current calculates these speeds and estimates the ratio of fat, muscle, and bone in your body. This time you can set body comp targets, and the watch will help you stay motivated and reach those goals through movement reminders, activity tracking, and regular BIA testing. The BIA sensor was very easy to use and gave me a reading very quickly during my initial test. I would be interested in comparing it with a couple of smart scales to really gauge the accuracy of the feature. Both the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro get improved sleep tracking too, as is common in most smart fitness watches. The Watch 5 and Pro both monitor your sleep in terms of how much time you spend awake in REM, light and deep sleep, and offer you a total sleep score. The watches also take regular blood oxygen levels and monitor your snoring. However, where I am genuinely impressed is that, unlike many of its contemporaries, Samsung gives you actual guidance on improving your sleep rather than simply overloading you with data, assigning you a sleep profile represented by a cute animal. Coincidentally, just like Fitbit's new feature, each will offer 28-day sleep coaching programs with daily missions, using your sleep analysis report to help guide you through the process to improve your sleep. I have previously wondered about the usefulness of sleep tracking data without actionable advice, so using the data served to make a positive change is a great move. There was no word on what the actual sleep missions might involve yet, beyond adjusting your bed or wake up times. Otherwise, the watch offers all the usual bells and whistles such as notifications, call accepting or rejecting, and even automatic fall detection functionality. Third-party apps are accessible via the Play Store easily enough, and up to 16 GB of RAM is enough to store plenty of music. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.